Companies in Europe that build SaaS are often national heroes, and they don't really have the scale to hire a large payment team to help them on their journey of monetizing payments and embedded finance, or they don't really have enough customer volume to effectively get the great deals so that they have a good economical setup to provide those services to their customers, right? So you get challenged both by competition and by what your customers want. And important to note as well that it's not just large US SaaS companies coming into Europe, but it's also more and more the payments companies themselves coming into software. Bringing embedded finance into your product, it is a whole of business change. And what do I mean by that? It requires that you think about the commercial angle. It requires that you think about how does that technology work for your customers. And it also needs to be specific to your customers. So Everfield, generally speaking, acquires companies that are specialized in their vertical. And oftentimes when a company joins Everfield and we start talking about embedded finance for them, it is the combination of the knowledge that we have in payments and embedded finance together with their intimate knowledge of their vertical. We have built a team inside of Everfield with over 100 years of experience in payments, embedded finance, across all the different functional areas. So that is product, that is sales, that is strategy, and also technology. What you are doing in embedded finance shouldn't be a side product. It should be intimately part of what your product is. So that's sort of the mindset change that you want to have happen over time. And that's something that we tend to focus on as part of the process of joining the Everfield ecosystem, finding out what works for you, so that it's not just a line item to be monetized, but it's also a more fundamental change to how your entire software business thinks about their own product and the potential thereof.